Hi girls, this is just a quick lesson on how to answer question 11 from your pretest. Just to note that the mean, median and mode is a new concept, so it's not a problem that you don't understand how to do this, and it won't be assessed this term in your exams. It will be assessed next semester. But if we quickly have a look at these, before I start, when you are working out the mean, median and mode of a set of numbers, the important thing to do is to make sure that they're in numerical order. So you've actually put them in order from smallest to largest. If they're not in order from smallest to largest, just take the 30 seconds to 1 minute to actually write them down. That will make your life so much easier and help you avoid making any mistakes. So let's look at mode first, because mode is probably the easiest one to do. Mode is the most. It's the number that occurs most in your data. So if we have a look, 6 occurred once, 5 occurred twice, 4 occurred 3 times, 3 occurred twice, and 2 occurred once. So therefore 4 occurred the most times. So the mode is 4. So 4 occurred more times than any other number. Therefore the mode is 4. Median, another name for the median, is the middle. It's the middle number, but it's important that it's the middle number if we put them in order. Okay, if they're not in order and you take the middle number, most of the time you'll get that incorrect. So if we have a look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So if I have 4 on one side, 4 on the other, I'm left with one number by itself in the middle, which is 4. If I have, as an example down the bottom here, if I had these numbers, so 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and I added another 6, for example, what we have to do in this case is we look at, if I took 4 off this side and 4 off this side, I'm left with 2 numbers in the middle. In this case, it's pretty easy because the answer is 4. But what you do is you add these 2 numbers together, which gives you a total of 8, then divide it by 2, and that gives you the median, which is 4. Okay. I might explain that one again a little later. And mean, or another word for mean, is the average. Now we work out the average by adding up all the numbers. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6. And if I add up all of those numbers, I get a total of 36. If I divide that 36 by how many numbers I have, so divide 36 by 9 numbers, I get a total of 4. So in the case of this, the average, or mean, is also 4. Just to go back to this middle question, I just want to try and explain it again. If I have 2, 3, let's make it 4, 5, 6, 7, again, I'm looking for the number in the middle. If I've got 2 numbers left in the middle, I add them together. So 4 plus 5 is 9. I divide it by 2. Gives me a total of 4.5. We'll go through this more during the term, but just to give you an idea, this is how to work it out. Please come and see me if you need any help, and I'll try and do another video, hopefully a little bit better next time.